These are bad.
So we got big boulder here. This is what's intriguing here. This almost like a triangle. Every which way we go, it's like a triangle. And it looks hollow through there too.
You got your safety chain hooked up.
We should. There's no reason why we shouldn't.
You would hope. That's a little more difficult. It's crooked, eh? We gotta fix that. Still got strength in my arms. Let go. Oh, splash. Right on. Cool.
1930. 75 years. No, 95.
Crazy. Yeah. No, there's no dock at all. We're up pretty high there.
Yeah. Maybe those guys should be over there.
Alright, we're out here again on Oliver Lake doing another search. We did a little bit more research this time, so we kind of know what we're looking for. Still don't really know the area, but I did have a confirmation on we're in the area. So we're going to do a more thorough search this time, and hopefully we come up with something on the side scan. It would be nice. We found something. So I got Peter here. And we got Dave. You can see him. Dave's back there, Peter. So we're just out for a nice leisurely cruise on the lake. Nice calm day. Sun's gonna break through, it looks like. And hopefully we find something. So we're gonna try and drop the ROV again on this, even though it's really, really difficult, especially on this steep terrain. And gonna see what we can see. I mean, we keep going over the same spot, and it keeps getting a weird image. So 75, 80 feet. It's really hard though on this. It just goes down like 60 degrees.
These are bad.
So we got big boulder here. This is what's intriguing here. This almost like a triangle. Every which way we go, it's like a triangle. And it looks hollow through there too. And on the side scan, it's a longer object. And then we got down, we're starting to get into 100 feet of water here. Those are rocks. This is, yeah, like that's at 70 feet pretty much. 75 feet, so that's a rock down at the 100 feet. Okay, there's a bottom. Just crappy viz though. The hardest part is keeping in touch with the bottom. tree. Might be a little harder with the GoPro on the top of it. Well, so far.
At least, yeah, it's
I'm staying with it at least.
yeah, good way.
Well, at
But
least
see, I don't know which way I'm headed. That's the problem. Okay, that's a sharp rock. That could be what we were seeing.
It would.
Yeah, it's a sharp, pointy rock.
Oh God. No.
Shaped like the bow of a boat,
No.
like the Madeira. Yep.
So that's not a plane there.
Yeah, a sharp rock. So that's what we were seeing.
Rocks.
Yeah. It's just a pointy rock, which is surprising.
At least we got the rove onto it. Good job.
Yeah. Well, we went at it a little bit differently this time, so. Yeah. It's a long, skinny rock. That's what we were seeing. Oh, jeez, now I'm freaking.
A long, skinny rock. That look.
No,
Oh my God.
Yeah. Yeah, okay. Go back to it now. Yeah, it looked like a torn up fuselage, but it was a rock.
Darn.
Okay, what do we got here now? Oops. We've got a long, skinny object in the distance here. It's a piece of wood. It's a tree.
Well, at least we're ruling these things out.
Yeah. That is the oddest looking rock I've ever seen. Yeah, they're basically just long, skinny rocks that we're seeing,
Right.
unfortunately.
But hey, that's progress.
Yeah. What the hell is in front of me now?
Is it an airplane?
No, I think it's a gigantic rock. It is definitely a gigantic rock. Like the size of a house. I'm hoping I'm not getting tangled around all these frickin' rocks. Are you still pulling up?
Well, I'm taking up slack as it.
That's probably the anchor line. It looks like it's just straight up and down, eh?
Yeah. I'm going to head for the surface, so.
Or maybe I should pull it to the.
Oh, I'm right around the anchor line. It's a beautiful day out here now. Hot, sunny, calm.
Well, it'd be a great day if you're a water skier as well, eh? That's kind of what I'm looking for.
Right into the sun. Yeah, no, we put the ROV down and saw lots of rocks. We saw long skinny rocks that looked like a fuselage, but up close they were rocks. So these targets are null and void. So I don't know where this thing is. We can't pick it up. Bring up a plane.
A propeller.
Yeah.
Yeah, Dave's celebrating the gypsy, whatever.
All right, we've scanned the hell out of this place and we're not really seeing that much.